I fortunately know a little magic. It's a talent that I always have possessed. Now, dear lady, please don't laugh. I use it on behalf of the miserable, lonely, and depressed, pathetic, poor, unfortunate souls in need. This one longing to be thinner, that one longs to get the girl, and do I help them? Yes, indeed. Poor, unfortunate souls, so true.
They come flocking to my cauldron, crying, "Spells, won't you please?" And I help them. Oh, yes, I do. Now it's happened once or twice. Someone couldn't pay the price, and I'm afraid I had to rake across the court.
Now I've had the odd complaint, but on the whole I've been a saint to those poor and unfortunate souls.
I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. You better stop the things you do. No, I ain't lying.
It's been 300 years, right down to the day. Now the witch is back, and there's hell to pay. I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. I put a spell on you, and now you're gone. So long, let me fell on you, and it was strong. So strong. Wretched little lives, have all been cursed because of all the witches working. I'm the worst.